This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Help the harvester pick all the corn. Okay, so we have one block in our workspace and we can use up to 7. So I think I need to go forward or east once. And let's just test this. We can always test stuff with code. Okay, obviously not enough. So 2, 3 times should get us there. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what did I forget? Well, to pick the corn. So obviously I want to move forward and then pick corn. Whoop, let me reset. Move forward again and pick corn. Let's test this out. So far so good, and I think we need one more corn. And notice, now that I have all these blocks in place, I've used 7 out of the 7 blocks allowed. There's actually a faster way to do this, a bit of a shortcut. So let's try this out. It should work. And then I want to show you the better way, the shortcut. And we got it! Yay! Alright, but watch this. I'm going to hit replay. Notice we have 7 blocks, right? 7. What if we use one of these? A repeat block repeats whatever code is inside of it. So right now it's set to 3. Well, look at our code here. Go east, pick corn. Go east, pick corn. Go east, pick corn. Instead of writing or having these blocks 3 times, we could put both of these blocks in here and leave it on repeat. And what happens is the computer will hit this. Here, I'll show you. Let's reset. Step, and it will drop into, it says, oh, I got to do this 3 times. Okay, let me go east. All right, now what am I going to do? Pick corn. Then the computer hits the bottom of our repeat block and goes, zoop. Oh yeah, I got to go 3 times. So second time, east, pick corn. Hits the bottom. Oh yeah, I got to go 3 times. So third time, east, pick corn. And if we had any blocks below it, it would also run. Notice now we did it in 4 blocks. Pretty awesome. All right, let's keep going.